Hello, hi, my name is JUANITA WRIGHT and I'm with the Wright Home Expert, and today I'm going to show you this fabulous home here in Morningside. So it's right between Buckhead and Midtown. So let me show you this home. Now the great thing about this home, these are 2 bedrooms, townhomes, and they're very affordable, especially if you want to be in Buckhead or in Midtown. So right now they're building them, it's under construction. I've sold so many in this area, and I just wanted to show you this fabulous home in this area. One of the great amenities that this property has is they're going to be having a beautiful park area. They're going to also have great parking also, because you know that's hard to find. So they'll be having that too. So it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and the name. So as I have promised, let me show you this fabulous area. So there's going to be a lot of park over on this side, so I'm going to show you this way so you can see it. They're right now just building it. So there's going to be a beautiful park right in the front area, and then we're going to have only 17 homes going to be built in this area. So it's going to be like really private and quiet. What I love the best about it is because it's so close to Buckhead. I live in Buckhead. I love Buckhead. And it's very close also to Midtown. So you get the best of both worlds. So I'm going to show you inside. Beautiful, they did beautiful finishes. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. I think that's the only ones they have in here. I think they had 1 3-bedroom, but that sold a long time ago. So everything is about 2 bedrooms. Great for if you're just looking for a house, a startup house. There's a great area to have it in. And I know the values are going to go up even more. So I'm going to show you this beautiful home. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to call me.
My got pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. See both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel. To the left, so cool water, hit it like I'm underworld. Have my tattoos in Shibuya, police in your mother underworld.
So please like and share my video with other people also, just especially if they want to live in either Jacksonville, Florida, or they want to live in Atlanta, Georgia. So right now, this video is going to be in Atlanta, Georgia, and we're right between Buckhead and Midtown, which is called Morningside. So, and again, the builder is Jack Builders. They're giving great incentives. So please feel free to call me or text me or email me. My phone number is 904-814-3992. And my email address is wrighthomeexperts@gmail.com. Or you could just text me. 904-814-3992. Thank you so much. You have a fantastic day, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thank you. Bye.